All right, so my flight for Scotland leaves in about 8 hours, and I'm going to be gone 5 months and mostly trekking and camping. So this is my best guess at what I need, and I'm going to have to get it all in that backpack there. Um, so just really quickly, I've got a tent, sleeping bag, sleeping mat, trekking poles, a water filter, bottle, some electrolytes, a first aid kit, and an emergency blanket, padlock, flashlight, trowel. This is my cookware, and I'll have to buy fuel when I get there. I'm gonna take a little bit of a pantry because sometimes it's hard to find these things on the road. I have toiletries, some thermal pants, a couple other pairs of pants, probably too many clothes, but like I said, I'm going for 5 months. Got 3 t-shirts, 3 tank tops, 2 long sleeve wool shirts. This is just underwear, bras, socks, a cover up, and a sarong. It might be overkill, but again, I don't know. I've got rain gear here, pants and a jacket, a tilly hat, bug net, hopefully you don't need that, some sunglasses, and a warm toque for sleeping probably, and some gloves. Who knows if they'll be any good. For electronics, taking my phone obviously. I'm also going to take my netbook. It's pretty small. It's a little bulky, but it's light and it's pretty tough. And I've got this wet bag for it. I have a power bank with a solar panel that just, I don't know, doesn't really work. And I've got a power adapter thingy that's monstrous, but it does have USB chargers, so maybe. I'm going to take some fun fur and try to make a wind muff for my phone because that was really bad last time I was gone. And then this is all carry-on stuff, some snacks. I have to carry on the matches, I think, because you're not allowed to check them. I'm taking an e-reader, wallet, some earbuds, and some charging cables. And my fleece I'll take on the plane, and another little cover-up. And then that bag there is it's a compression sack, dry bag, but it kind of doubles as a backpack if you use these. So I'm going to use that to carry everything on the plane, and then maybe it'll serve as a day pack for me when I'm out and about. So that's about it. Gotta get it all packed, and then we'll see what it looks like.